Okay, so I'm outside. Just wanted to give you perspective. There's a road here, and then this is obviously 501. Carport, little garage there. 2-car garage down here. This is well access. And a parking space here. That's the septic access. And it goes back to the fence. Looks like the roof is not an architectural shingle, so the roof definitely looks like it would need to be updated. Maybe sooner than later, or on the list. And then this is where the oil tank is. To the front door. So I'm coming in the front door. Real hardwood floors, which are great. We do have the hot water baseboard heat. The ceilings I can touch the ceiling. So the ceilings are kind of low. Not too bad though, and this is a nice size family room. And it does have 2-prong outlets. So that would be something that you'd want to have grounded. The AC coming through here. I have you zoomed. There we go. And then kitchen is linoleum. Little nook here, pantry nook. But nice and clean. Eat-in kitchen, so no formal dining room. And then these don't have hardware on them, which is could always add. But these feel like maybe the doors are new, like that when they upgrade the doors and not the whole cabinets. Door to the side. And then this is the side door off the kitchen, which has like a luxury vinyl. Oops. This is a cute little sunroom. See the sunset. You can hear the traffic a little bit in here. These have sliders with screens. And then to the outside. Deck area. To the kitchen to the right, hallway. coat closet mirror. And then it's kind of interesting, you can close this space off. Bedroom 1. This is painted paneling here. And more 2-prong outlets. Nice size closet. And then pull down attic space. Bathroom, which looks like this is like a linoleum square. Nice size linen. Tile. Looks like this might be the original tub, but it's nice and clean, updated. And then bedroom number 2. Oops. There's a 3-prong outlet. Again, nice size closet. Goes all the way back. Attic, because it's a pull down. And it looks like storage. The HVAC is up here. And AC for sure. So good storage space. That's venting the bathroom vent outside, which is good. And you can see all the ductwork going throughout the house. And then going to basement off the kitchen. Down here. So nice bar area. Definitely good for man cave space. It does have like the tile ceiling, not drop tile or ceiling, but they're all connected. And wood stove. I don't know if you can see that. Just shelving in there for the bar. And then garage. Nice big garage. It has heat. Panel box. Oh. 200 amp. And then this sink and toilet in the garage, which is kind of interesting. It looks like a good shape, copper piping. They obviously recently painted the block. Nice and clean. And then stairs to the kitchen, and then this is extra space storage. This is the boiler. And then they did radon mitigation. And then this is where your laundry would go, dryer and washer. And then extra room here, and then this goes into the garage. So there's 2 doors to the garage. And these obviously should be replaced with metal doors. These are great wood doors, but not ideal for attaching to the garage. And then from the kitchen, there's a door. This is basement door and outside door, which is a really nice, cute deck with benches, multi-level deck. Nice brick all around. A little pergola here. These are redone. Looks like new wood steps. Walking around this side of the house. New landscaping. This is the radon mitigation system. Fans in there. AC, another AC, or the AC unit, compressor. Big trees, some stump or roots there. And then just want to show you the other garage. Yeah, so this is definitely space for a truck, which is great. Work truck, camper, whatever. This is locked. That's locked. But carport here. This could be, well, it must be like a little storage space. I don't know that a car would fit there. But there you go.